Hello, good day YouTube. Today I'll be showing you guys how to download Wondershare Filmora 9 2019 with stock and patch. Alright, let's get started. I've put the link right in the description for you to get. You just go to this link, download Filmora, and you scroll down towards the link. Here you can see download link for Filmora with Cloud Plus patch and also tutorial to download Filmora. So down here you just pick which one of them you need, either the 8.762, 9.0.44, 9.0.74. Well, I downloaded the 9.0.74. And before you move forward, if you're going to use Mega, you must have a Google account, or either Google Drive, you must still have a Google account for it to download, which I've already download. I'm gonna download this. Yeah, you can see download it. And yeah, see it here. It comes in a zip file. For your WinRAR, also I've dropped the link in the description for you to download the WinRAR. If you unzip this or extract it, then extract it. And please, you have to like deactivate your antivirus for some while before you'll be allowed to unzip the Filmora, because your antivirus won't allow it to function properly. Make the settings and turn off real protection. Yeah, good. And I'll go back to the zip file and extract it here. Now you can see it's extracted without any issue. You can see it's extracting. This is just one of the easiest way to download it without paying for it online. And also, when you create your videos, you won't be seeing that watermark of Filmora on your videos. Like, let me give you an example before it finishes extracting. There's a video I did that showed. There's a video I did that showed it. Yeah. Like this one in particular. You see? Okay, so like this I created. It has the watermark on it and I really don't like it. So let's go back to our file which we extracted. You see it, after extracting it, you install the application, which I've already done. You install the application. After you install it, then you go and click on the patch. Here's the patch. After clicking on the patch, there is a serial key which you also use. Well, let me play the video for us because it comes with a video. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like my videos. Have a nice day.